So by now you've already heard of who Nikocado Avocado is. If not, you probably wouldn't have clicked this video. But recently we saw that he was able to put out almost a year and a half worth of content and prep it while planning this release of his weight loss journey or weight loss outcome that has blown everybody's mind away. And I wanted to make this video because I wanted to share the thing that I learned from this, and I think that we can all learn from Nikocado Avocado. And the main thing is how important it is to plan your content and to have batch recording or batch creation. He was able to do this only because he already had a year and a half's worth of content already recorded and edited and, ready to post basically. So he could have used his time for so many other things. And I think that's so smart because us as content creators, we're usually creating just in the moment. We're just creating as soon as something pops up into our minds, an idea or something inspires us, and then we make something there and then it's over. And then we don't have anything else. So as much as it is important to work on things that you're inspired by and work on things that you have an idea of in the moment, we also have to just go ahead and plan our creativity. And I think a lot of us don't do it. We don't batch record or batch create because we still don't have our niche, or we just still don't have our target audience or the exact message that we want to share. And that's fine, because this is a lesson for us to figure that out and work on that. But once we do, we should have our content scheduled out almost like if it was a guide plan, like if you were doing a course for other people, and have everything recorded and built out and ready, and then we should publish it instead of just publishing in the moment. I think this is super smart, and a lot of us can benefit from it, especially when we have like smaller channels or channels that have been dead for a while. Especially for me, I wanted to post a video right away just to get things going, get the ball rolling. But I think I should have taken a step back and recorded at least like 10 videos and planned it out. That way I have at least those 10 videos of runway that I can use while I'm planning out my next bit of content. So this is kind of what I learned from watching the whole situation of Nikocado Avocado. And I think he's super smart for doing it. I mean, it's a win all around because he was still grabbing people's attention. It was still polarizing and nobody was ready. And now everyone's talking about it, and they're going to see all the content that he had already posted to see kind of like what was he doing during that whole time. I think it's genius, a great way to grab attention and to have already like a bucket of content ready for people to consume once they do. I think it's a great idea. I'm definitely gonna take a stab at it and try to plan out more content in advance so that way I can free up my time. And then I can still record stuff while I'm inspired by it, but at least I have that freedom of mind, that runway, that I know that these videos are already planned out, recorded, edited, and ready to go at any moment. So let me know what you thought about the whole situation. And if you didn't hear about it, I mean, go look it up on any of the social media websites. You'll definitely find information on it. But I would love to hear your thoughts about the whole situation down in the comments. And until next time, stay super.